Okay, guys, I have a My Mini Baby mini brand as far surprise, and then last time I got this one. It comes in a stroller. It's already built. I didn't take a video with this one because I want to know how it worked, and it's like a tiny stretchy baby. If you want to see it, it's like there. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Let's see. Will it come off easy? No, it will not come off easy. So we're not going to. There's another one underneath. Cool. Okay, time for the big surprise. Here comes the 5 bags. They only come with 3 bags. Oh yeah, the stroller comes with multiple parts. Okay, first bag. I'm gonna go with this guy. It's the biggest bag. This is pieces or something. Huh? Oh, it's. Now I'm gonna go with this bag to see what this is. Is this the baby? Yes, the baby. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Let's see this one now. What's this? Oh, it's another piece. Holy, is this his clothes? I forgot what this is. Put it there. Perfect. Yep, I know what this does. You put it there, pull it, so now it's there. Oh, there's a bunch of small bits and bobs, bits and bobs. Let me just put that there. So it goes there.
I think we have to build the rest of it, Christopher. I don't think that's how it goes. It's not going to stay. Look at the directions. What is it called?
This is how you're supposed to do it.
Open the directions and show me.
I just know. Okay, perfect. There he goes. It is little bed. So now I need to look at the directions. Here are the directions. This. Did they give me that piece? They didn't give me that piece. And they also only gave me 3 bags instead of. Huh? They didn't give me that piece.
Open that up. Open it. No, the paper. No.
Which one did I get? I found out which one I got. Do I have those pieces? Bye bye.